Good morning, the grades of class 10. I am Ranjan Kumar, your science teacher in Vidapati Public School, Padukere. Today we will study in detail about electric circuit and circuit diagram. The topic of study is electric circuit and circuit diagram. First we define electric circuit. Electric circuit is closed continuous conducting path which consists of connecting wire and other electrical devices along which the electric current flows. A continuous closed conducting path consisting of wires and other resistance like electric bulb, cell, battery and a switch between two terminals of a battery is called electric circuit. And second is circuit diagram. A circuit diagram is that which indicates how different components in a circuit arranged using their symbols is called circuit diagram. So basic thing in electricity is electric circuit and circuit diagram. We make the circuit diagram using the symbols of different electrical equipments. For example, we study about different symbols used in circuit diagram. First is connecting wire. There are following symbols used for symbols used in circuit diagram. First is connecting wire. Its symbol is very simple, just a straight line. Connecting wire. Second is cell. Cell is just like this. And when we use battery, that will be combination of two cells. This is battery. Here we have used two cells. So it is battery. Or is electric bulb. This symbol is just look like a bulb. This is electric bulb. Pipe is resistor. It is just like this is symbol of resistor, and another symbol used for variable resistor. Resistor. This is also called rheostat. R-H-E-O-S-T-A-T. Rheostat. Just we put an arrow mark on resistance, that becomes variable resistor. And other devices are ammeter, voltmeter, seven is ammeter. Its symbol is plus and minus. Just we put the capital letter A for ammeter and plus and minus terminals. Ammeter, voltmeter 8. Simple, just put plus, minus and letter V. This is voltmeter. Ammeter is always connected in series and voltmeter is always connected in parallel combination. Galvanometer. 9 is galvanometer. We put here G letter, capital G, and G for galvanometer. Next is when two wires are crossing each other. So two wires do not touch each other. We represent by this symbol. Two wires crossing each other. Without touching. That will be like that. This is a symbol of two wires crossing each other without touching, and switch. The main thing is that electric switch or electric key. Electric switch or key. This is very important component in circuit. Without, we cannot close or break the circuit using without switch. So its symbol is this is the old convention, but this time we are also using here. This is open switch. And the close switch is like that. This is the close switch. The other modern symbols used for key is modern symbol for switch. This is symbol for open switch. And symbol for closed switch is just put and dot point. If we put the dot point, then will become closed switch. Let us draw a simple circuit diagram using these symbols. Simple circuit diagram. Here is battery and this is switch, open switch. This is connecting wire. These are the minimum components in electric circuit. If any one of them is not present in electric circuit is not complete. And extra devices are ammeter and voltmeter and other resistors. The direction of conventional current in electric circuit is from positive end to negative end. It means from positive to negative terminals from the outer circuit. But when the electron was discovered, then we have to change the direction of electric current because electrons consume electric current in the circuit. So the real direction of electric current is from negative terminal to positive terminal. It means conventional direction is from positive to negative, and the real direction is from negative to positive terminal of the battery. So these are the basic concepts in electric circuit and circuit diagram. In next class, we will study in detail about how the different components are arranged in electric circuit.